Have you ever wanted to retrieve a password for one of the Wi-Fi networks that you have previously connected to? Well, Windows remembers every Wi-Fi password you have used. To do that, just open the PowerShell prompt and just write the command netsh wlan show profiles. This command will show you all the SSIDs that you have connected to. I'll just check, for example, the password here for mjo. What I need to do is use the same command but use profile instead of profiles, then assign the name equal mjo, then add this key equal clear. Just press enter, and here you will see my password. Now I have to change that.